Okay, the topic we are going to do is recursion. Suppose today is a birthday, we get a gift box. Okay, we open that gift box, and inside the gift box, we get the second gift box. Okay, when we open this second gift box, we get the third gift box. When we open this third gift box, we get the fourth gift box. On opening this fourth gift box, we get the fifth gift box, and finally we get our gift. So basically this is an example of a recursion. So what are the three properties of recursion? Same operation is performed multiple times with different input. Okay, it means same operation with same operation, that is opening a box. It's an operation. Same operation is performed multiple times. In this time also we open the first box, then we open the second box, then we open the third box. So basically we are opening a box multiple times. Second, in every step problem becomes smaller. As you can see, when we open this box, we get the second box which is smaller as compared to the first box. When we open the third box, it is smaller as compared to the second box. So the problem becomes smaller. Third, we mandatorily need to have base condition which tells system when to stop recursion. We mandatorily need, हमें बेस कंडीशन चाहिए ताकि हमें पता लग जाए कि रिकर्शन को हमने कब रोकना है. We need to have base condition which tells system when to stop recursion. Let us take the example of the recursion. Okay, it's a binary tree given and we want to search four number. Okay, we need to search the element, that is 4. So what happens in binary tree? There is an algorithm. Okay, if the value to search is less than the current, we go to the left. Okay, when the value to search is greater than the root or the current number, then we go to right. Okay, so basically we need to find the element, the value 4. How we can find the value 4? It's a 8, so it's a root. Okay, 4 is less than 8, so we go to the left side. Okay, we go to the left side. Okay, now 4 is greater than the 3, we go to the right side. And 6, now 6 becomes our node, 6 becomes our root, becomes our current number. 4 is less than 6, so we go to the left. Okay, so basically this is an example of recursion. How recursion? Because same algorithm is being implemented again and again. Same algorithm is, when the value to search is less than the root, we go to the left. When the value to search is greater than the root, then we go to the right. So basically this whole is a program of the recursion. Okay, search, root comma value to search. Value to search is 4 and root is 8. If root equals null, अगर root की value 0 हो जाती है, empty हो जाती है, then it will return null. मतलब खाली रिटर्न कर देगा. अगर यहाँ पर ही हमारे पास 0 आ गया तो हम क्या रिटर्न करेंगे? So the value will be null. Else if root dot value equals value to search, if root dot value, that is suppose the value to search is 4, if the root dot value is also 4. Okay, so if root dot value equals to value to search, then return root. Then the root will be, suppose if instead of 8 there was 4, then the root is equal to the value to search, so it will be the answer. Okay, else if value to search is less than the root value, value to search is less than the root value, we basically search root dot left comma value to search, that is we go to the left side, we search for the left of the root. Else search, if the value to search is greater than the root value, then we go, if the value to search is greater than the root value, then we go to the right. So basically this is the program of the recursion which you must know. Okay, thank you.